Here we are going to learn the basic of Revit Architecture and how to start for the beginners. We are going to do first to start with a window and check some basic details about the Revit Architecture. Welcome to my channel where I'm going to teach you about all the things which is related to BIM. So now if you are a beginner, you don't know anything about Revit, not to worry. We are going to start with the home screen over here. You'll have a part where you can start with a model. If you have any existing model, you can open directly from here, and you can see on screen also there is some models which you can open directly also. If you want to start with scratch, you can go over here for the file new. Click over here. As per your discipline architecture, we will be going for the architecture template. We'll click over here and the file will open for the architecture template. After opening the file, you can see over here two properties will come here. One will come as a project browser and another is your properties. If you double click on this, it will merge over here itself as a project browser, and you can see the small icon as property where you can click and you will get the properties of it. If you have the screens to work in a better way, you can just move your properties after dragging over here and you can place it over here. If you want, you can adjust according to your design or your monitor screen to set your things. Now here, if you see this screen, this is your viewport. This is your plane over here with north, east, west directions. This is about the architecture tools where you can learn what all you want. As a start, we are going to learn how to create a wall, a basic wall. The shortcut for the wall is WA. You can see on screen also over there, or you can click over here to the wall. The time you will click on a wall, you will get these properties and you can draw whatever the shape of wall you want to create. Here are the properties of wall. You can click and you can choose what property you want to create your building. You can choose over here or you can make it customized. Now to create a wall, for example, we are just going to click over here one of the size. If you want to customize it, your walls, you can go for edit type, which means the type properties. If you come over here for the type properties, you can come to the duplicate. You can just click on duplicate, name the wall type which you want to make. For example, I just want to make 250 mm generic. I'll keep it over here, click. Now over here, you can change the sizes. You can see the sizes over here. Width is 250. It's not editable. For that, you have to go for the structure edit. Just click on the structure edit over here, and here you can change all these things as per your requirement, the finishes, structures and all. If you want to keep it as it is and you just want to change the sizes, you can change according to that. So for example, I'm keeping this as 200 and I want finishes of 25 and 25. Here you can change the materials. By clicking over here, you'll get the material library. You can change the materials, plasters from here. You can change the structure materials from here. I'll just click over here, okay. Here you can see the size of the wall has been changed. If you want to change the graphic, you can change the graphics over here. I'll just apply, okay, and click over here. Now we are ready to create the walls. Here, if we see by default, the level we have set is 4000. I'll go and create the walls over here. You can specify the sizes, whatever the size you want. You can just type it on screen if you want, or you can drag your mouse to do the sizing. So I'll be clicking over here, for example, the sizes. I'll move my mouse. Again, I'll be keeping the sizes. Here, same way you can create. If you want some other shapes to be incorporated in this, you can just click any of these as per your desire, and then you can specify over here. Again, I'm coming back to the line. Again, I'm taking the shape over here and I'm back to the shape, and here my lovely layout is ready over here with a wall. If I want these two areas to be a curtain wall, I can simply, after creating also, I can select by pressing Control key and my mouse. Here you can come to the properties over here and you can click on any of these curtain wall, depends on your requirements. I'm going for the storefront one to convert this as your wall. If you see the walls are not fine enough, they are not smooth enough over here, so we can add from here our curtain walls grids and mullions. So I'm just going to add the grids to make it more fine in a curve shape. I'll zoom for the better view. You can specify the dimensions and distance according to that. Now, here, if you come to any of the properties in this area, whether it's your ceiling, 3D view or elevation, let's go to the 3D view. You can see your lovely walls are ready over here. You can create your wall this way. Select your walls. If you want to edit any of these things, you have to select the object and go for the properties over here. You can change the property, you can change the level, you can change the height over here. If you want to change the type, you can change the type. For example, if I select this wall, and I want to change the property of this particular wall, I will simply select and it changes the property of this wall. If I want to change the height of this particular wall, I'll just change this to unconnected and I'll specify the height, whatever height is required. For example, I'm keeping this as 2000. You can see here my wall is 2000. For this, this is my curtain walls. I need the sizes over here, or I want the support over here. I can go over here for the mullions. Here you will get the option grid lines, or for the segments, or for the all. I'm just going for all. You can choose the type of the mullions, which is the supports for the curtain walls. So here the sizes and types are there. You can choose whatever you want and then just click over here. You'll get the mullions over here for your contour wall. Hope you understand how to create the walls in a basic way and how to create and build the curtain walls. See you soon in next topic. Have a good day.